Welcome back to DOCONCHAIN. We are still at the Doc Organization dashboard. Apart from our branding feature, Doc Organization also allows you to add users or seats inside your organization and manage them. This helps you manage their payments for the business plan seats and to add users, purchase, and allocate document credits for the enterprise plan. There are three user roles in the Doc Organization. First is the owner, who is mainly being billed for all the seats in the business plan and the one purchasing and allocating the document credits for the enterprise plan. The owner can also add and remove members and assign different user roles. Next is the admin, who can also add and remove members and manage the organization. And lastly, we have the member who can be part of the organization but doesn't have any authority to add or remove other members. To add a member, you can click on this button and input the first name, last name, and email address of the person. Using this dropdown, you can also choose the organization or the sub-organization that you want to add a member to. And you can choose the roles to assign them. Once done, you can click the plus and then confirm. A notification will then be sent to their email. Once the invitation is sent, the recipient will receive an email invitation from account@doconchain.com. The invitation will also have a note stating that once they join the organization, their account will be upgraded to whatever plan the organization owner has. This means that any previously paid plan will be put on hold and only be resumed once they leave the organization. You can also see here who is the owner and the organization name, along with your role. You can either accept invite or decline the invitation. Another way to accept the invitation is through their DOCONCHAIN account. Once logged in, they could go to this icon to accept the invitation. If they don't have an account yet with DOCONCHAIN and they were invited to an organization, they will be prompted to our sign up modal, where their name, last name, and their email address will be automatically filled up and they will be asked for the password. Once done, they can sign up and proceed with their account. On the dashboard, you could also see all the members that you added or joined your organization. You can also sort them using the tabs above for joined, pending, declined, and previous members. You also have some action buttons if you want to resend the invitation or remove or cancel your invite. That's it for adding members and the member user roles. See you again at the next video. Thank you.